Right. Unit 6 probability study guide. Let's get some answers. When we multiply fractions, we multiply straight across. So that's 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. If we reduce that, that is 1/5. 1/3 times 4/4, that's the same as 1/3 times 1. So that's going to end up reducing to 1/3. Multiply straight across, that's 10/18. We reduce that. Divided that by 2, that's 5/6. And then 3/5 times 1/4 is 3/20. Didn't have to compare the fractions. Converting fractions to decimal, 2/5 equals 0.4. 3/7 equals 0.428, and kept going. If you rounded it to 0.43 or just had 0.42, that is okay. 11/16 equals 0.16, repeating. 12 is 5/8 equals 0.625. If they went to 0.62 or 63, that is okay as well. On 13, the instruction said to circle prime numbers in box composites. 1 is not a prime number. A prime number is a number that's divisible by itself, and 1 only. So that would be 2, 3, 5, 7. Composites were 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. 1 is a special number. It's neither prime nor composite. You can count it as a composite. I won't count it against you. 14, you had to do multiples of each. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 22. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's good enough. All right, more likely or less likely to happen. It is twice as likely to pick a boy as a girl. Probability of a girl is 1/4. So if it's twice as likely to get a boy, we need to take 1/4, multiply it times 2, which is 2/1, which is 2/4, which is 1/2. It is half as likely to get a dog as a cat. The probability of a cat is 1/6. So we need to take 1/6 divided by 2, which is the same as multiplying, not 1/2, 1/6. Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. So that gives us 1/12. It is 2 times likely to choose a pizza as hamburger. Hamburger is 2/5. I would change 2/5 to a decimal. 2/5 as a decimal is 0.125. So I would have taken 0.125, multiplied it times 2.5, and that gives you 0.3125. Okay, consonant or vowel. You were to circle the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. If you circled Y, I'll accept that. All right, moving on. On the first page of the review, Bailey will roll a number cube and flip the coin for a probability experiment. The faces of the number cube are labeled 1 through 6. The coins land on heads or tails. If Bailey rolls the number cube once and flips the coin once, which list contains only the outcomes in which the number cube lands on a number greater than 4? So that means it can land on a 5 or a 6. So if it lands on a 5, it can get heads or tails. 6, that means heads or tails. So if we list that out, that's 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head, 6 tail. Okay, so you should have gotten A as your answer. Number 2, at an assembly, 7 out of the first 10 students who entered the gym were carrying a backpack. Based on this information, the 700 students were at the assembly. How many students could be expected to carry a backpack? This is a prediction problem, so we're going to use this original probability, 7 out of 10. And we're going to predict if there were 700 students. So we set up a proportion. So we're going to take 7, multiply, and cross multiply here. 7 times 700 is 4,900. And then we're going to divide by 10. Let's just move the decimal over one time. So you should have gotten 490. Number 3, study of a population of 1,200 frogs revealed that 12 out of every 180, write that one down, frogs in the population have spots on their back. Based on the results of the study, how many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back? This is a complement. So 12 out of every 180 frogs population have spots. So based on this result study, how many frogs population do not? So we need to take the complement of this, which is the 180 minus 12. That is 158. So out of 158 out of 180 do not have spots. So it wants to know out of the population is 1,200. Okay, so we need to do this for 1,200. So we'll set up our proportion. Cross multiply. If we can reduce, let's reduce. 158 and 180 both can be divided by 2. So that's 79 and 90. So now cross multiply 1,200 times 79. 0, 0, 18, 0, 0, 14, 8. Add that up. 0, 0, 8, 4. So now we need to divide that by 90. So 94800 divided by 90. It goes in once. Down the 4, bring down the 8, doesn't go. I have messed up somewhere. I'm going to check my stuff here real quick. 158 times 1,200 divided by. Alright, so I'll see what I did wrong. This is 168 out of 180, not 158. So now we set our proportion up. 1,200 frogs, cross multiply. Multiply those two, you could reduce. Cross multiply that, 168 times 1,200 equals 201,600. Divide both sides by 180. And it will be 1120. So D was the answer. 4, the spinner shown has 8 congruent sections. Spinner is spun 120 times. What is the reasonable prediction for the number of times the spinner will land on an even? So even numbers, 8, 16, and 2. So there's 8 of here, so that's 3 out of 8 for even. Probability of even is 3 out of 8. Spin it 120 times, that's 3 eighths equals x over 120. This is your total amount, Cross multiply, 120 times 3, 360. 360 divided by 8, 4, 32, 4, 0, that's 45. So the answer is B. 5, the bag contains 5 red, 6 blue, 3 green, 4 black, and 2 yellow marbles. A marble will be drawn from the bag and replaced 100 times. What is a reasonable prediction the number of times a green or black marble will be drawn? Remember, or means to add. Green is 3 out of, we need to get our total, 5, 11, 14, 18, 20. And black is 4 of 20. So that is 7 of 20. Set up our proportion. Draw 100 times. That's 700 divided by 20. So 700 divided by 20. I know 20 goes into 105 times. 5 times 7 is 35. So that's 60, 10, 0, 35. So the answer is J. 6, the spinner shown is divided into congruent sections and labeled 1 through 7. If the spinner is spun 1 time, what is the probability of the arrow not landing on a section labeled with an odd number? Section labeled with odd numbers, 5, 7, 1, 3. So that's 4. So probability of an odd is 4 out of, how many said 7? 4 out of 7. So 4 out of 7 with the odd number, that's F. 7, the table shows the type of movies and the numbers of DVDs rented by customers at the store in one day. Based on the data in the table, what is the probability that a random customer will not rent a drama? So drama is 25. We need to get a total, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, carry the 1, 3, 6, 11, 95 different movies. So not a drama is everything but. So 95 minus 25 is 70. So not a drama, probability, not drama is 70 out of 95. We could reduce this. I would do it by 5 first. 70 divided by 5, I believe is 14. And then 95 divided by 5 is 19. Let's see if we have a problem here. See, make sure I got all this. 25 plus 36 plus 52 plus 12. Oh, that's 125. I can't count today. This is 125. Wow. Sorry, guys. So 14. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 14 to 25. Still can't do anything. Let me see what we got going on. Yeah. Having a rough day. This is 100. So that's 25. And this is 20. Reduce that again. That's 4 over 5. Alright, so 4/5, because probability of renting a drama is 1/5. There we go. C. We could have done this 25 over 125, that equals 1/5. The complement of 1/5 is 4/5. So there's 2 ways of looking at that. 8. Mary bought 6 packets of tomato seeds. Each packet contained 24 seeds. She planted one packet of the seeds, and 15 seeds sprouted. Which statement about the seeds' remaining packets is supported by this information? So, bought 6 packets, tomatoes. Each packet had 24 seeds. She planted one packet, and 15 seeds sprouted. So, 15 out of the 24 seeds sprouted. So no more than 50 seeds will sprout. So if you have 6 packets, so we need to see 24 times 6 is, let's see, 12, 13, 14, 144. So with that probability out of all those seeds, we need to, let's see, we can reduce this by 3. That's 5 over 8. 144 times 5 is 720. And then 720 divided by 8 is 90. So 90, no more, so only 90 seeds. No more than 50 seeds will sprout. No more than 50, that's not true. Between 50 and 100, that one's true. At least 100, no, all 120, so it is B. Letitia has 2 bouquets of flowers. Each bouquet contains 13 daisies. Bouquet S contains 30 flowers. Bouquet T contains 13 flowers. Which statement is true? The probability of randomly selecting a daisy from bouquet S is less than the probability of randomly selecting. So let's find the probabilities of each one. So bouquet S is 13 of 30. Sorry, no. It contains 13 daisies. You got 13 of 30. And bouquet T is 13 of 13. So all of those are daisies. The probability of randomly selecting a daisy from bouquet S is less than the probability of selecting a daisy. So that's absolutely true because you're always going to pick a daisy from bouquet T. The probability of selecting a daisy from bouquet S is 1. No, that's T. That made that false. Probability of randomly selecting a daisy from bouquet S is equal. Nope. Probability of randomly selecting a daisy from bouquet S is 1/3. No. So A is your answer. 10. Felix has a bucket of golf balls. The table shows the number of golf balls of each color in the bucket. Felix selects a golf ball at random based on the information in the table. Which statement is true? So let's get a total number of balls here. 4 plus 11 plus 8 plus 18 is 41. So the golf ball is more likely to be green than all other colors. So do we have more green? That is true. Combined. But combined, that is not true because that's more than 18. So it's not A. B, the golf ball is equally likely to be pink, white, orange, or green. That's not true because they all have different probabilities. The golf ball is 2 times as likely to be orange as it is pink. See, so twice as many pink. That's true. There's twice as many orange as there's pink, so it's twice as likely. D, the golf ball is 7 times as likely to be green as it is white. Green and white. It's not. That's only 7 more, not 7 times. So the answer is C. All right, number 11. Store manager receives delivery of 2 boxes of light bulbs. Each box contains 25 light bulbs. The store manager tests all the bulbs and finds that 2 of them are defective. So 2 out of 25 are defective. Based on these results, what can the store manager predict about the next delivery of light bulbs? A delivery of 3 boxes will contain 3 or more defective boxes. If I had 3 boxes, this would be 75. That would be 150 divided by 25, which would be X would equal 4. So it will contain 3 more defective bulbs in delivery of 2. So 3 more than 2, that's 4 is not 3 more than 2. Of 2 boxes. 2 boxes, that's 50. That's 100. That's this is 6. I'm not good at math today. This is 6, and this would be x equals 4. So, 3 more. That's only 2 more. The delivery of 4 boxes will contain 2 more defective than the 2 boxes. So let's do 2 to 25. 4 boxes, that's 100. So that's 200. 200 divided by 25 should be 8. I'm checking my calculator just because I can't do math today. X equals 8. So, delivery of 4 boxes contains more defective light bulbs than every 2 boxes. So 2 boxes was 4. 2 more. That's 4 more. 5 boxes. That's 125. So X, it's just going up. This was 2 boxes. This is 3 boxes. This is 4 boxes. This is 5 boxes. It's just going up by 2. So this is X equals 10. So 5 boxes, 10 more than 2 boxes. That's only 6 more. Or 6 boxes. If you do 6 boxes. 6 boxes is going to be X equals. Let's use X equals 12. So 6 boxes will contain 3 more than 2 boxes. 12. That's 8. What am I doing wrong here? Every 3 boxes will contain 3 more defective light bulbs than 2 boxes. So 3 and 2. No. Box 2 are 4 boxes and 2 boxes. 8 and 4. 2 more. That's 4 more. 5 boxes. Take 10 more than 2. That's 6. So there were 6 boxes. Okay. So 6. 2 more than 2. That would be 7. Alright, see my issue. This is 2 boxes. It's 2 boxes. There's 2 out of every 2 boxes. So it's 2 out of 50 is 1 box. 4 out of 70. No. So that out of 3 boxes, this is 2 boxes. 3 boxes is, so that's 1 out of 25 for each box. So if I go to 3 boxes, that's 3 out of 75. 4 boxes is 4 of 100. 5 boxes is 5 out of 125. 6 boxes is 6 out of 150. So, 3 boxes will contain 3 more than 2 boxes. That's done. There's only 3 more. Only 1 more. 4 boxes will contain 2 more than 2 boxes. That is true. So there's my answer. Alright, number 12. Longest video ever. Never surveyed customers in a restaurant to find out their favorite meal. The results of the survey are shown in the table below. Now let's get a total. Let's use my calculator so I can do math right. Alright. 17 plus 8 plus 12 plus 3. That's a total of 40. Alright, 1 person in the restaurant will be picked at random based on the given information. Which statement is true? This person's favorite meal is twice as likely to be hamburger and french fries as it is spaghetti. Hamburger and french fries is 17. Spaghetti is 8. That is twice as much, but it's a little bit more. So let's see if there's a better one. So we may go back to 8. Excuse me. This person's favorite meal, 4 times as likely to be chili as it is to be vegetarian delight. Well, let's see, 4 times like chili. That 3 goes in, so that is very true. I'm going to say it's a B. Let's keep going. Person's favorite meal is likely to be chili than hamburger. It's more likely chili than hamburger. Chili is 12. That's not true. This person's favorite meal is equally likely to be vegetarian or spaghetti. Vegetarian, that's not true. So it is B. Alright, number 13. We're almost done. Tara has 2 bags of marbles. The first bag contains 6 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 4 green marbles. The second bag contains 3 red, 2 blue, and 4 green. Tara will randomly select 1 marble from each bag. Alright, so in the first bag, 6, 5, and 4, that is 15 in one bag. And in the other bag is 3, 2, that's 5, 9. Alright, so what's the probability of blue marble for each bag? So blue in the first one is 5 of 15. Blue in the second is 2 knights. From each bag, this is compound this is compound probability, so we need to multiply. I will reduce here first. So that is 2 over 18. 2 over 18 reduces to 1 over 9. And that's none of the choices, so let me try again. So there we go. All right, let's try again. All right, blue, 5. Oh, goodness. Fix this. 5 blues. 6, 5 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. And then the other one, blue, is 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 9. That's 10. Let's see what's 15 times 9. That's 135. Reduce. Let's see. Reduced by 2. 68, that's not it. Reduced by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 27. So reduced by 5, that's 2. 27. Answer is D. 14. Rachel's setting up table for a party. 4 of the tables are covered with red tablecloths, and 8 of the tables are covered with the white tablecloths. Guests will be randomly seated at the tables when they arrive. Each table can seat a guest. What is the probability the first guest to arrive will be seated at the table with the red tablecloth? So we have 4 of the tables with red tablecloths, 4 red, and 8. We got 8 white. So that's a total of 12 tables. So out of red, that's 4 out of 12, which is 1 out of 3. G. 15. Gabriel has these cans of soup in his kitchen cabinet. That's 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count that one. All right, Gabriel will randomly choose one can of soup. Then he will put it back and randomly choose another can of soup. What is the probability that he will choose a can of tomato soup? So tomato soup is 2 of 10. And remember, he's going to put it back. And then a cheese soup. Cheese soup is 2 of 10. We multiply, that's 4 of 100, which is 1 of 25. H. Number 16. On Roberto's shelf are 6 mystery, all those. So 11, 15, that's 18. But choose one book. What's the probability that he will choose an adventure? That's 3 of 18. That is 1 of 6. So that is D. All right, hopefully you fast forward and you did listen to everything that you already understood and got your answers. You should have been grading your own. Be honest. Tell me how many you missed. They would have been worth probably about 3 or 4 points apiece. Put a grade on there. We will say they will be 3 points apiece. So, okay, how many you got? Multiply times 3. Subtract that from 100. All right. You have a game once everyone is done watching this video and grading. While you're waiting, there is another worksheet that you can be working on that you pick up at the door. We'll see you tomorrow. You do have a test tomorrow.